आपको लगता है कि 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स और 4000 घंटे पूरा करना आपकी सबसे बड़ी जीत है? बिल्कुल नहीं। बिना सोचे समझे अप्लाई बटन दबाना आपकी मेहनत पर पानी फेर सकता है। The 2026 YouTube Studio Dashboard Update integrates an automated review protocol that scans for configuration errors. If your settings don't match your channel data, the system flags your account for rejection before a human reviewer even opens your case. Creators routinely fail by rushing the Google AdSense integration or ignoring the specific parameters the automated bots use to scan content. We are going to walk through the complete 3-stage partner program application click by click so you can bypass those system flags and secure your approval. Reaching your subscriber and watch time targets merely qualifies you to undergo a highly scrutinized financial audit. Step 1 is clearing the mandatory pre-checks inside the Earn tab of your dashboard. This diagram shows two monetization paths. The lower threshold unlocks fan funding like super chats. The higher requirement unlocks full ad revenue. These remain locked until you complete the security checklist, active 2-step verification, and a strike-free community guidelines record. If you have an active strike, the system prevents you from submitting your application. You must wait for the 90-day penalty period to officially expire. YouTube strictly enforces this digital perimeter to isolate security risks and non-compliant channels before ever establishing any formal financial connections with creators. Once you clear the pre-checks, Step 1 involves reviewing and accepting the legal framework of the partner program base terms. Step 2 requires precision. This is where you integrate Google AdSense with your channel. The system presents a drop-down asking if you have an AdSense account. Choose between linking an established financial entity or creating an entirely new profile. If you are doing this for the first time, select No, I need to create one. The system will then prompt you to select a Google account and assign your geographic region. This is a common failure point for many applications. When filling out the payment profile, creators often mistakenly use their channel name. You must enter your actual legal name. Every character you type must perfectly match the spelling on your government-issued ID, like an Aadhaar or a PAN card, because Google will audit this information later to verify your identity. After submission, Step 2 switches to In Progress. It typically takes 12 to 48 hours for the network to verify your details and establish the link. A single spelling error or mismatched address here results in a permanent hold on your funds. As soon as Step 2 clears, Step 3 begins automatically. Control shifts to a combination of automated bots and human reviewers, who begin scanning your entire video library. The first issue they check for is reused content. If you upload clips from movies, podcasts, or other creators without adding original commentary or editing, the system will reject the application. This animation shows how the 2026 system processes faceless channels. Purely AI-generated voiceovers paired with raw stock footage are diverted and discarded. To pass the review, your content must show evidence of substantial human editing and distinct creative input. The reviewers will also look for misleading metadata. If your titles and tags are stuffed with popular keywords irrelevant to the video, then the system flags the channel for search manipulation. The review process completely ignores your view counts. It strictly audits your adherence to platform integrity and content originality. When you survive the review, an official email arrives welcoming you to the partner program. However, gaining approval does not mean your videos are automatically generating revenue. You must log back into YouTube Studio, navigate to your content library, and manually authorize the platform to turn on ads across your entire catalog of historical uploads. Comments में बताएं आपके अभी कितने subscribers और watch hours पूरे हुए हैं, और अपने चैनल को और तेजी से ग्रो करने के लिए स्क्रीन पर दिख रहे नेक्स्ट इंटेलिजेंस ब्रीफिंग पर क्लिक करें. Securing your approval marks the transition into the daily operations of your new digital enterprise.